Catherine, when do you see a downturn or even a recession in the U.S.?
So we don't actually see a downturn anytime within our projection horizon. There are a number of, there's really robust growth still going on. There's still a lot of fiscal impetus coming through the system in 2019. There is some changes and the likely changes in legislation going forward in the election year 2020. I know we just finished one, but we have another one coming up. And that tends to change the way the fiscal policy is legislated when we get to that time period. And so we have to go well beyond our projection period before we look like we're even slowing dramatically. We'll probably have 5 years of above 2% growth, and that creates challenges for the Monetary Policy Authority. Clearly, if going into 2021, we're still running very hot. We'll be looking at an unemployment rate that we haven't really seen for quite some time. Labor force participation could still pick up. There are a lot of men and women who are not yet participating, and so that will help on the inflation front a little bit, but we do have to ask the question about what happens to debt, what happens to deficits, and what happens to interest payments if, in fact, the monetary policy interest rates start to rise as we go 5 years into above 2% growth.